welcome to this year's annual Worst Cooks in America challenge. Hi, I'm your host Zoe, and we're going to be making the most exquisite meal in Ferris right now, which is a peanut butter fluff and Nutella sandwich with jelly. So let's dive into the competition with Vanessa and Maddie showing their cooking skills. Okay, ready, set, go.
I'm gonna take this first.
Vanessa came into this competition because she really wanted to show her awesome technique. And she lives in Londonderry, New Hampshire. And Maddie came to this competition because she really wanted to show that she is an awesome cook and she can beat anyone with her master experience.
So good. It looks so good.
Now, for a quick ad from our sponsors, Ferrari Pencils.
What's up, gang? I'm Mr. Ferrari. I'm coming here to show you about my new Ferrari pencil. This stuff is awesome. You can't get it anywhere else.
Oh my god, the pencil's so cool. I want one.
I know. It's one of a kind. Here you go. Have a great day. Here are some reasons why our Ferrari pencil is better than any others. Number one, it's just so stylish. Everybody wants to be your friend. Also, since Ferraris are really fast, we made our pencil so it's maximum quickness. So basically, your pencil will be gliding through that paper. Those are just some reasons you should get the Ferrari pencil. Click the link to get your own. See you next time. I'm Mr. Ferrari.
Add some more peanut butter.
Go, 3, 2, 1, and that's our challenge. Now let's go to our judges to see which one they think is the best. Okay, now back to the judging. We have Ryan and Dom tasting these amazing creations. Let's see how they like them.
So first thing I noticed, they just threw a ton of things on the top. This is going to be really messy.
Very unique art style.
Okay.
The artistic approach.
Here's the inside. I'm so excited to see what these cooks have made for me.
This is what it looks like.
Okay. I'm
unique
noticing
one.
it's really gushy.
This is a really unique one.
I got a blast of everything.
Very peanut buttery.
And there's a lot of Nutella.
A lot of Nutella.
I do have to say the jelly on top give a nice hint of flavor.
It's a very unique taste. I don't know why I signed up for this, but it's very unique.
Honestly, the part where it's just bread is my favorite.
Same here.
Uh-huh.
Oh gosh.
But the jelly gives it a nice texture. Yeah.
It's very flaky bread. And the Nutella and the fluff mixed together to make the perfect combination of sandwich.
Okay, the only thing is, the second I pick up the second slice of bread, I remember how bad this is gonna be. But I'm just joking, of course.
It's dripping. The sandwich is dripping.
Great sand. Oh, actually, that first bite was really good.
Second half is a lot more flavorful.
Yeah, I honestly like that bite was really good because I got a good amount of Nutella, but then a good amount of fluff. So it almost tastes like a s'more.
Almost.
But too bad this isn't a s'more contest.
Put that down before I get sick of the amazing taste.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God. Oh no.
Honestly, if I didn't have to look at it and I just ate it, I would like it a lot more.
Am I getting paid for this?
Okay. So,
Very unique flavor. If I had to rate it, I would run screaming. But
eat the whole thing.
oh.
I mean, that filled me up a lot. But maybe it was like 5,000 calories. But that's okay, you know?
Man,
Mr. Gualtieri says recommended is 200, 800. Or 2,800, so I'm above average.
Yeah. It's above average.
Alrighty. Oh. I'm very impressed by yeah.
Time for the judging.
Okay.
So, it's a very
Made it worse. But
So, it's a very unique flavor. If I was being forced to eat it, if I had to choose between eating this and
excuse me.
eating Ryan, I would choose Ryan, but that's not an insult because Ryan just tastes really good. Don't ask how I know that. So,
Wait, what?
if I had to rate it out of 100, I would give it a solid 10.
So the sandwich was very packed with flavors. I could really taste the Nutella in it. But then the second half, I think, had less Nutella and more fluff, and I really liked that. So I think my sandwich was pretty inconsistent, but overall, I'd rate it a 8.5 out of 10. So, okay, now we would like to talk with one another about who thinks we should win. Who we think should win. Guys, we are announcing the winner.
The winner of this conversation
Is Vanessa! I chose Vanessa because the sandwich was very bedazzling and flavorful. And I think it was a little messy, but that's okay. That's what napkins
I could
are for.
smell the sugar wafting off that into Ryan's hair.
Okay, and I think if I piled up all my Halloween candy, it could not beat the amount of calories in that sandwich. It was so packed with Nutella that honestly, I thought it was Nutella. I didn't know it was anything else.
This thing is a challenge for the diseptic tank.
But I think that Vanessa will have to take the win. See you next time on World's Worst Cooks.
You're not gonna see me though. Bye. I'll probably die by then.